the queue guys. Ang tao. Gusto naman po panood ng live tennis. Grabe. Kaya lang sayo ka, sayo one hit. Look, gusto mo tanaw o ano? Live tennis. Kinadakan ng tao. Tapos kanila. Tapos likod. Sa wakas guys, nakasulod rin yun. Grabe. Karas Pasay. Simula alas 5 ng umaga nagpila. Karon pa nakasulod sa oras. Dos. Grabe. Dahil tao sa likod. Finally guys, kakuha ng ticket. Ito yung queue ticket ko. Habang nakapila sa labas ka 3,433 ano. Ngayon nakapasok na. Ito na yung ticket ko. Makapanood na ako. Grabe. Since umaga guys, ngayon anong oras na? Alas 2 ata. O alas 3 na. So at least salamat pa rin nakapasok na. Grabe ko. Yeah. Mga picture yan oh, yan. Tapos mamaya ano na. What you call this one? Magtanaw na sa ano. Yan oh. Parang ito yung arko yun. Ibig sabihin nakakuha na ng ticket yan. Hihi! Guys, andito na ako muna sa labas dahil sa center court pala si Alex Eala naglaro. Hindi kami makapasok sa sobrang tao. Tingnan mo guys. Pero nanalo na si Eala ng first seat guy. So dito muna ako sa taas. Dito sa TV lang ang panoorin namin. TV. Kasi sa center court sila naglaro ngayon. Sikat kasi si Eala guys. Kahit hindi siya ranking masyado pero sikat siya. Maraming mga foreigner nagpasa kanya. So dito muna ako sa taas. Nanalo na siya first seat si Eala. Ang nakalaban niya yung dating champion si Swatik. Yan ang manonood guys dito sa labas. Maraming mga Pilipino for support for Eala. Yan, dito muna kami sa TV dahil sa center court sila sa loob naglaro. Grabe, daming tao. Yay! Nakati-arti na si Eala guys sa second set nila.
Any chance that Mabuhay getting is ready for it.
Proud Filipino. Mira.
33% today for Bergs. Just 24 for Ferry.
Yung kalaban niya guys. Dating champion yan dito sa Wimbledon. Number 1 din. Oh, yes! Woo! Sayang. One last shot. Yeah! Oh! Woo! 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 First Filipina going to fourth round. First Filipina, fourth round. Woo! 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 Filipino! Woo! Woo! Congrats, Alex! Woo! 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 Woo!
nice person. So I'm really grateful to be able to share center court with her at Wimbledon nonetheless. I'm really
Imagine,
emotional.
center court.
And maybe for someone like Iga, who has won so many slams, or maybe someone like Serena or Venus, this achievement may seem small, but for someone who grew up in the Philippines,
First time.
every day after school with my old socks and my life shoes and everything. So this is everything. Obviously, because I'm emotional does not mean I'm satisfied. So okay, let's go.
To us, when you're playing, you look so cool, calm, collected. Can I ask about the nerves, both at the start, coming out onto centre court, biggest match of your life, and also at the end, trying to get the win?
Yeah, of course, this is one of the biggest matches of my life for sure, and this is my dream court, so I'm really happy with the atmosphere that you guys gave. Thank you so much for cheering me on. And you know, how many times have I dreamed of opportunities like this, you know, when I used to win a first set 11-9, you know, so when I have my opportunities, I have to take it because, you know, they're blessings. Being here is a blessing. I worked super, super hard to get here, and I'm taking it. If I have it, I have the chance, I'm taking it.
It's obvious the centre court crowd have fallen along with you, but within the crowd you can see the flag of the Philippines as well.
Yes.
Does that get you through the match?
It's incredible to have my countrymen cheering me on and knowing that, you know, we're all in this together. So this goes out to them, this goes out to my family, this goes out to all the little girls with ruffled socks and chubby cheeks. Yeah, so it means the world.
We all want ruffled socks and chubby cheeks. Congratulations, Dave.
Punong-puno sa tao. Kahit sa ground lang. Basta makasulod sa mga center court. Katulad sa laro ni ano kanina.
No, I think we'll go to the center courts. Yeah, come on.
Nice one.
Linda, huge congratulations. I think from that reaction there we can see just what that victory means to you. How tough was it to get through that match right at the end there?
I mean, I don't know. This was such a tough match. I mean, all the ups and downs. Sorana, she's a hell of a fighter. We've had a lot of matches now, and none of them were easy. So I was expecting a tough battle, not like this. But I'm so happy and relieved that I got it at the end.
If we go through some of those momentum shifts just in the third set, you were a break-up, then Sorana had a match point, then you had 2 match points. How did you then reset going into the match tiebreak?
Well, I kind of had to leave all that stuff behind, you know. Winning second set, I kind of resetting after the first set, and then, you know, the second one was great, obviously, since I won it. And the third one, obviously, I had to start all over because it's a brand new set. But if I only knew that we would have such a long third set, maybe I would have saved some energy. But like, like I said, I'm relieved.
Now, you played each other 5 times this year alone. When you saw that you were playing Sorana, did you think, oh, not you again?
Yeah. I never really looked into the draw, but when some people told me that we were gonna play again, I was like, not again. Because like I said, I knew it was gonna be a tough battle either way.
But you won, and you're back in the 4th round of Wimbledon once again. Linda Noskova, everybody!
May tao guys, kahit saan guys. Kaya ako ganiya sa court, number 3 court. Karon pila na po ko diri sa court number 12. Pipila ako dyan. Gusto pa relax lang guys. Dito lang guys. So, relax. Tanaw lang TV ko. Hindi makasulod kaya may mga ticket. Ang tao kahit saan. Number 2. Pas yung bola. Kung idol was taping ko guys, idol ako na sa una pag champion niya. Karon tambok na pila na kay anak kanin niya siya, double men's and women's. Kabila, pero idol ko talaga yan, so idol ko yan. Pero tambok na. Idol na ko guys. Nasa kong likod guys, oh. Idol na ko guys. Yan. Tambok lang, tambok.
Gracias.
Yan guys, oh.
Ese saque era imposible.
See?
All of them?
Hindi na.